Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. I finally have my 2 Ipsy bags for the month. So this is my final Ipsy Plus. I have completely canceled my subscription. I've canceled that account. I've told them quit sending me emails because they've been sending me crazy emails like 3 hours after I canceled, sending me, oh, we want you to resubscribe. So cancel that. I do still have my Ipsy. This is a separate account and it is a year. I paid a year. So I will be getting this for quite a while to come. So before I start, I just want to say canceling Ipsy is a pain in the booty. They ask you over and over, are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? You go out page after page and they have like, why are you canceling? And you have to put in answers and all of this stuff. And then they have big pink buttons that say, no thanks, I still want to subscribe, or, you know, and then underneath in small lettering, oh yes, I still want to cancel. And then after you go through all of that, they make you, go to your email and click through another thing before they cancel it. And then they're sending you emails like, they're still sending me, oh, this is today's deal and resubscribe for this. And it's crazy. They really don't want you to cancel. BoxyCharm, same thing though. All right, so let's look at my Ipsy Plus. I do have some things that I redeemed for points as well. I don't have the prices. If I remember, I will put the prices on the screen when I'm done because as usual, the card tells me absolutely nothing. All right, the first thing I'm pulling out of here is from REALHER. This is the I Am Extraordinary Power Wear Probiotic Foundation. And I think this is supposed to be in the shade I Am Extraordinary. And it says Blue Light Technology. So that's what it looks like. It might work. I'm not going to try it out right now because it does have a pump. I'm trying to work through some other foundations right now. So this is a newer one. It is a really liquidy foundation though. I wasn't expecting that. So that is the first thing in my bag. Then this one, oh, this one is something I redeemed points for. This is the SERUMKIND Purple Cabbage Drop Facial Serum. And this was 1,800 points, 1,200 points, something along those lines. It's kind of a cool bottle. It is a square and the liquid is like this really interesting color. It does kind of look like purple cabbage just a little bit. Let's see, what is it supposed to do? Vitamin C and A, amino acid lysine. Okay, there's a lot of words on it. So that one I did redeem points for. This is one of the items that Ipsy chose for me. This is the FOXYBAE 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask. So this is a leave-in treatment. I was worried about it at first because it just said hair mask. And I don't wear hair masks because I don't like sitting in the shower waiting for a hair mask to finish. So there is this. I will definitely use that. Then we have another bottle, or box. This is from 111 Skin. This is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. This was one of the things that Ipsy chose for me as well. I think I have another one of this somewhere as well. So I have a couple of these. This is like $100 some. And yeah, it's expensive. And this was in the Glam Bag X last month, which was supposed to be like, you know, the exclusive expensive stuff. And it's kind of interesting that it's showing up in Plus the following month. This one, the lid is coming off. Okay, phew. It has a safety seal, so we're good. This was something that I chose. This was the CÉLA Crème de la Crème, the very best cream. I know I like this. I've gotten some of this before and it's nice. This isn't exactly like a super exciting type of item, but kind of like with the foundation, there wasn't a lot of things. Like I would not have chosen a foundation as I throw it on the floor. I wouldn't have chosen a foundation, but I didn't want to leave it up to Ipsy this month. And I was trying to choose like the best option out of the ones that I was given, even though I wasn't like crazy about anything. All right, next up is this one. And this was a redemption for points. So this is like their 600 point. This is from TONYMOLY. It is the Watermelon Dew All Over Serum. I'm very excited about this, actually. I do really love watermelon products, and I think TONYMOLY is a pretty good brand, so I was glad to get that. And then the last thing I got, this was my other choice, and everybody was really excited about this, and I was like, oh, I don't think I have that one because the packaging is different. Well, I already have this palette. This is the VISEART Petit Pro Deux on Deux, I guess. This is what it looks like. I'm going to leave the plastic on it because I'm going to not swatch it because I already have this. It's already in my, like, I think the colors are very pretty, but I'm not a big fan of the VISEART shadows. I find they're hard to work with and they don't have a lot of payoff, and I don't want like major payoff where it's hard to blend out, but this one takes a lot of work and I don't always have the patience for that. So that was my Ipsy Plus. For $25, not too bad. I mean, I will use the hair leave-in. I will use the hand cream. I will definitely use the serum booster. So 3 for sure, 1 for sure pass on, and then 1 that I'm unsure of. So 3.5 good out of 5 is not too bad, and the 1 is my own fault that I chose. I don't know what else I would have chosen though. I don't know. I wasn't super happy, which is part of the reason why I'm canceling. Glad that I redeemed all of the rest of my points. That is really good as well. I decided to cancel for a couple reasons. One, I have not been fully employed this past year. I've been looking. I've applied for so many jobs. Part of being underemployed or unemployed is you have to submit so many applications, and yeah, there's a lot of people looking for jobs. I got an email from one of the universities I was applying to saying we had over 200 applications for this one position, and we were not expecting that because that's kind of unheard of. So still looking for something that's going to be sustainable, that's going to be good, and yeah, just kind of gotten to the point where critical mass, need to cut out as much as I can, and then yeah, just lots going on. So there's that, and I've never been super happy with Ipsy Plus since they changed to the three choices, because I feel like I never get choices of things that I actually am interested in or excited about, and I feel like I got better stuff when Ipsy did all of the choosing, but it's kind of gone downhill just a little bit for me personally. If you find that it's gotten better, let me know, because I would love to know what people are doing to get good bags that they really enjoy. All right, on to Ipsy, my original. I have the free gift that I got for signing up for the year is this YENSA. It is the Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. I got this and I was like, I didn't order this, and I had to go back and look through all my points. I was like, did I redeem points? And then it said that it was a free gift, and I was like, oh, okay. They show you what looks like a palette as the free gift, and you're like, oh, that's exciting. Now it's a purple lipstick, which is not a terrible color by any means. It's pretty. It's not a color that I'm going to wear though. So this is going in somewhere at some point. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but yes, that was my free gift, and I did the year because I figured when I had a little money set aside, it was a good time to do it, and I want something to look forward to. Not a ton, obviously, but just something. So I did get 2 add-ons for this month. I got this set from Aurikah. I got a perfume last month from them. This is a fragrance duo. I think this was $12 for the set. So there are 2 things in here. There is the Lucid, which is a perfume balm, and then you have the stick, which is Wander, and I don't have the notes for them, but this one is very gourmand. It smells almost like a bakery kind of. I'm going to try to wear it. I don't know. Usually those type of things kind of give me a headache and make me feel a little nauseated. I get that immediately from that, but it might calm down a little bit. And then this one, and I'll try to put the notes in the description box so that you can see what the notes are. This one is super hard to open. You really have to dig your nail in there, and I have a crease now in my nail because of this. This one is more greeny. It's pleasant. It's like a light floral green scent. So excited to try those. I think these are like really convenient type of packaging. It's kind of different. And then I picked up this. This was one of the $3. This is the PURLISSE Pineapple Bright Cleansing Gel. Always can use face wash, and it was pineapple, so it sounded really, really good. On to the bag itself. It is super cute this month. I really like it. I kind of like this, but at the same time, I hate that it sticks out just a little bit. I wish there was more than one thing that stuck out just a little bit, but what can you do? There is a card that tells you what's in there, which is so nice. The first thing I'm pulling out is from, what is this? This is Glow on Fifth Rose Gua Sha, and this retails for $12. It's a facial tool, and it is plastic. It's not like cool to the touch or anything like rose quartz or anything. I don't see myself really using a facial massager like this, so I will put that in like a future giveaway type thing. Then we have, and that retails for $12. We have the EVENPRIME Barrier Serum. The full size retails for $48. That's a lot of money, but this sounds really nice. It has antioxidants, ceramides, and peptides. Yeah, so I love serums. I'm always happy to try new serums. Excited for that one. We have another tube in here. This is the Fast Zen, well, let's read what it says. MAZI, M-A-Z-I, Balancing Multi-Effect Facial Cleanser. Full size retails for $38. I would not pay $38 for a face wash. That's a lot of money. So yeah, we'll definitely give it a try. It's a cleanser. Not super exciting. Like, I feel like the other cleanser that I got was more exciting because it's pineapple. From Pretty VULGAR. This is the Undercover Concealer in shade 60, which there's not a name or anything for that. I'm not going to open it. I was going to, but I'm not going to because I have some other concealers that I'm working through. I'm trying to work through a couple older ones, and I mean, if it works, I will definitely give it a try. The full size of that retails for $24, which is pretty, I guess, common for a concealer. But if I'm going to pay that much money for a concealer, I'm probably just going to buy my NARS Undercover because it's a couple dollars more and it's my favorite and I know I love it. And then finally, this was my choice. This is the Benefit Cosmetics, the POREfessional Super Setter Pore-Minimizing Setting Spray. Full size retails for $32. That seems like a lot. That seems like more. Maybe I'm just used to buying my all-nighter on sale all the time, but I feel like that's more than my all-nighter. We're gonna give it a spray, see what the mist is like. Definitely one that you want to spray very close to your face because I got it mostly in this area. Very little of it actually reached my face, so it is a very fine mist. Not direct on the face. When I opened my mouth just then, there was a lot that went into my face. So there. Now I don't feel like I'm going to eat any of it. So I will give this a try once I'm almost done with the foundation that I am currently wearing that I'm not a big fan of, but then I'll go back to my Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is my favorite, and I will give it a try with this one because I feel like that's the best indicator of what it's like. So was this a great bag this month? It was okay. It was kind of boring, which is funny because I usually like skincare and stuff, but I mean, I got technically two makeup things, a setting spray and a concealer. Neither one of them are very exciting or colorful. I kind of miss getting some color or something. And then I got a serum and a cleanser, which are really, you know, they're definitely practical things that I will totally wear. This one, not as exciting, but overall it wasn't a terrible bag. It wasn't exciting. I was kind of hoping that my first one for a year subscription once again would be more exciting, but what can you do? Let's hope that July is better. Let me know what you got in your bags, what you thought of my bag, what you thought of your bags. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.